Today we're going to do an unboxing of the two COVID at home tests that you may run into. The first one is the QuickVue At Home Test. We got that one at CVS, and also the On-Go COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test, and that was purchased across on Amazon. Both were around 20 some dollars. On the COVID QuickVue At Home Test, in the QuickVue At Home test, let's open it up here and see what we have. Okay, we have some instructions, 2 test strips, 2 swabs, and 2 vials. The vials, as you can see, already has the antigen in them. If we look at our instructions, you can see that it points out to wash your hands first and see that you have what you need here as far as the tubes, the tube holder, the swabs. Of course, we're going to use a timer and the test strips. Okay, it shows first getting the swab out after you washed your hands, and gently swab 3/4 of an inch into the nostril. Okay, and it says go ahead and go in the inside wall of each nostril at least 4 times using the same swab. Okay, then you'll place the swab in the tube and ensure that it's touching the bottom. Stir 3 or 4 times. Leave that swab in the solution for 1 minute. Do not leave it in there for any more than 10 minutes. It mentions after 1 minute, remove the swab from the tube, rubbing the swab head against the sides, and dispose of that swab. And then on step 6 says open the test strip. Carefully hit the slit, hold the test strip as indicated, and place the test strip inside the tube. Place the test strip inside the tube with the arrows pointing down, and leave the strip in the tube for a full 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, remove the test strip from the tube and place the test strip up against this outline and see if you can go ahead and compare, as we show right here, the difference between a positive and a negative result. See, a positive result shows both blue and pink. The second test kit is the On-Go. It's an antigen self-test kit. Let's go ahead and open this. See what we have here. The On-Go antigen self-test has about the same items. This is the test strips. There's 2 test strips right here. 2 vials with the antigen already included, as you can see. 2 applicator nozzles and 2 swabs to take the sample. Also comes with a set of instructions, and this is very similar to the QuickVue test, as in you wash your hands before. We'll go ahead and open up the swab, locate the antigen in the holder with the cap off of it. Take the swab and wipe it inside of both the right and left nose around 3/4 of an inch inside 5 times for a total of 15 seconds. Okay, then you go ahead and put the swab inside the antigen, move it around, rotate the swab for 5 times, and then you can squeeze the vial to get the liquid out of the swab head so it's inside the vial, and then close the vial by pushing the cap onto the top of the vial. And then it says with your finger, go ahead and flick the bottom of the vial to mix up the antigen. Invert the vial and put 3 drops onto the test strip. After 10 minutes, you should be able to get a result. And again, the results are the same as on the QuickVue, where it has a red, in this case, a blue colored line and a T. Purple color line next to the C and a 1 blue colored line next to the T, which indicates positive. So on our test, the first thing we do, we'll take the swab out, and you'll go ahead and stick it up your nose around 3/4 inches and swab around 4 or 5 times in each nostril. Okay. Okay, now here, take this off. Okay, now you go ahead and stick it in the solution, touch it to the bottom, and swish it around 3 or 4 times. Okay, and then we let it set for 1 minute.
Do I take it out?
Nope, leave it in. Let it set for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the swab from the tube and you push it against the side to get the excess out. And then we'll stick one of these inside of there and let it set for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you take the swab and you push it against the sides to get the excess fluid out, lift it up and push it against the side. A little bit more. Get a little bit more. Get that out. There you go. And now we'll get our test strip without touching the test strip. And if you look at the test strip, you'll see arrows pointing down.
Oh, you can't see it. It's not clear. Is that the OK side? Oh, hold here, yeah. Okay.
See how the arrows are?
And put it in?
Yes. Now we let it set for 10 minutes. So our time right now, what time do you have right now? Is 2:39. Okay, it's been 10 minutes.
So what do you...
And we take the valve out and compare it to the chart. Can you see pink?
No, no pink.
No pink. Not even a trace of pink.
No. No COVID.
That gives you a negative test.